Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great. Hey guys, today we're making some pumpkin seed art. With just a little bit of food coloring, you can turn your pumpkin seeds into some beautiful artwork. Stick around to find out how we did this. For the first part of this project, you're going to need pumpkin seeds, cups or bowls to dye your pumpkin seeds, food coloring, and a spoon to stir. Depending on how many colors you want for your pumpkin seeds, you're going to need that many cups or bowls. You can fill each cup about halfway full with water. The more vibrant you want your colors, the less water you're going to use. Add as much food coloring as desired to each cup. Once your food coloring and water are mixed together, you're going to add your pumpkin seeds. I used about a handful of pumpkin seeds for each color. Be sure to stir the pumpkin seeds in the cups to ensure that the color is reaching the top of those pumpkin seeds as well. I left my pumpkin seeds in the cups for an hour to sit, and then I removed them and placed them on a drying rack. I let them dry overnight, and here's what they look like the next morning. For the next step of this project, you're going to use a piece of paper. I recommend cardstock because it's going to be thicker and more durable for this project. I used a pencil to draw a rainbow onto the paper, but you're welcome to freehand any of your art. The school glue made it really easy to apply the pumpkin seeds onto the paper. Instead of having to glue each seed individually, I just placed the glue on the paper and then placed the pumpkin seeds on the paper. For each color of the rainbow, I did the same process of applying the school glue and then placing my pumpkin seeds down. Here's my finished rainbow. I had quite a few pumpkin seeds left over, so I decided to make another design, and this time I went with a butterfly. Following the same process, I drew out my design with a pencil, and then I placed my school glue on the paper and then applied my pumpkin seeds onto the paper. I did use quite a bit of glue for these projects, so I made sure to dry them overnight. Here's my finished butterfly. I love how colorful these projects turned out. It was such an awesome way to use pumpkin seeds that I would have never thought of before.